The relationship between student and teacher is personal, and something as simple as a smiling face can help you to start off on the right foot. Hey guys, this week we'd like you to think about your profile photos. A nice friendly headshot gives a great first impression. Think of it as a chance to connect with your prospective student and really catch their eye. You don't have to break the bank here with professional photos. A photo from your phone is probably totally fine. You can use this photo on your social media accounts, on your website, on your user icon, on whatever teaching platform you use. It might even be good to have 3 or 4 options of the same shoot so as not to repeat yourself too much. Just remember to aim for even lighting from the front, not backlit, and have a nice tidy neutral background. It doesn't have to be a plain white backdrop like mine here. It could be your office or living room, but tidy. We don't want to see yesterday's jeans on the bed. Finally, think about your presentation. So this is an occasion for that good shirt or for the fancy sweater you got in the January sales. Think about hair and makeup. You too guys, a little bit of powder goes a long way. Just don't tell your partners it was my idea if they catch you rooting through their makeup bags. And most importantly, smile into the lens. The result you want is a nice, friendly face making eye contact with the viewer. The background is clean and simple, and as a potential student, I think, okay, this person looks approachable and professional. So go, take a few photos and see how they come out. If you'd like to gain access to plenty of marketing advice and resources, possibly including some nice constructive feedback on your headshots, head on over to www.getmorestudents.org, where you can sign up for free. Happy shooting, and of course, happy teaching.